Very well. Suppose it is not in the forum. It
But-
is somewhere else.
Today,
Where is the bar?
there are allegations against the comments have been made by against two persons.
Was there any bar for the comments to come up?
Ventilate, but as long as you do not defame anybody.
Defamation is a different thing. You go
That
and
is the
arrest
section
somebody.
500 is defamation.
You go and arrest somebody, and who has been defamed? What obligation do you have to go and arrest people?
First, my lord, as I was saying, my lord, in very many petitions.
My lord, I am for the petition in this matter. Lordship, affidavit of service is coming, Lordship.
Hmm.
It's an urgent matter, leave matter. Private respondent is appearing.
Private respondent.
I've served upon the state.
State also?
I've served upon the learned GP's office. Lordship, it's coming, Lordship. Lordship, urgencies, Lordship, kindly come to this petitions, page number 22. Lordship, kindly come to page number 22. Lordship, this was happening on 24th of June. This was Honorable Chief Minister was holding one meeting with all chairmen of various municipalities of the state. And that administrative meeting was broadcasted widely through all electronics media and the social medias also. In social media, your lordship knows there are public options. Public can go and make their comments. Lordship, kindly come to page 22. There is Shine Sultan. The first comment on Nandita Chaudhuryর 40 number ওয়ার্ডে 797-1 মোল্লাপাড়া লেনে অবৈধ নির্মাণ হচ্ছে। সেকেন্ড, শাইন সুলতান হাওড়া 37 নম্বর ওয়ার্ডে 27 নম্বর ওয়ার্ডে 12 কাটা পুকুর বুঝিয়ে ফেলেছে এমএলএ সাচ অ্যান্ড সাচ অরূপ রায়। শাইন সুলতান, সৈকত চৌধুরী সব থেকে বড় চোর, বড় জমি মাফিয়া, ওর থেকে বড় দুর্নীতিবাজ কেউ নেই। This was made, these comments were made. Now, Lordship, kindly come to page 34.
When did you serve the state? Yesterday?
Yesterday, I've served the state.
Yes.
Kindly come to page 34.
34.
This is a complaint dated 28/6/2024.
Yes.
Ami Ershad
You are there
Sultan,
for the state.
পিতা সুলতান মোহাম্মদ মোল্লা, সাচ অ্যান্ড সাচ মোল্লাপাড়া, শিবপুর। নিউজ 18 বাংলা সংবাদ মাধ্যমে লাইভ সম্প্রচার। আমি উক্ত সৈকত চৌধুরীর ব্যাপারে কিছু কথা কমেন্টে লিখি এবং এর পরবর্তী সময় থেকে সৈকত চৌধুরী তার বিভিন্ন সাকরেদদের দিয়ে আমায় হুমকি দেওয়া শুরু করে। গত 26/6/2024 তারিখে সকালবেলায় রাজা ঘোষ, there is a ফোন নাম্বার, আমায় ফোন করে সৈকত চৌধুরীর বিরুদ্ধে বলার জন্য তার বাড়ি গিয়ে ক্ষমা চেয়ে আসতে বলে। তার কিছু মুহূর্ত পর 8-10 জন সৈকত চৌধুরীর সাকরেদ আমার বাড়ি এসে আমায় উক্ত বিষয়টি নিয়ে প্রশ্ন করে। সেই সময় স্থানীয় লোকেরা একত্রিত হয়ে বলে যে চোরকে চোর বলেছে, তাতে ক্ষতি কি। তারপরে তারা চলে যায়। সেদিনই বিকালে ফোন নাম্বার আমাকে ফোন করে বলে, সৈকত চৌধুরীকে তুই কি সব বলছিস, তুই সিস্টেমের সাথে ঝগড়া করিস না, শেষ হয়ে যাবি। আমি একটি সোশ্যাল মিডিয়ার ব্যবস্থা করছি, তুই এইখানে ক্ষমা চেয়ে নে। প্রয়োজনে তদন্তের সুবিধার্থে উক্ত কল রেকর্ডিং গুলি আমার থেকে চাইলে আমি দিতে পারি। Now this happened on 28/6/2024. I lodged a complaint before the commissioner. Now, Lordship, these two complaints come. One in page 20. This is a complaint signed by one of the private respondent, and page 21, another private respondent. Now, both the private respondents has written a cyclo-style complaint, except, Lordship, the last line of the paragraph 2. Lordship, kindly come to the first complaint.
Yes.
It starts with, it is hereby to inform you that I, Sushobhan Chattopadhyay, son of such and such, permanent resident of such and such. Next page, it starts with, I, Prosenjit Chakraborty, son of such and such. Same incident, name changed, and it's about one Saikat Chaudhury and one is minister in charge, Sri Arup Rai. Now, what is their lordship? Let me read one of these complaints. It is hereby to inform you that I, Sushobhan Chattopadhyay, son of...
Tell me one thing. Your complaint was against one Nandita Chaudhury. Next is another MLA. And third is one Saikat
Saikat
Chaudhury.
Chaudhury.
Who is this Shushoban Chattopadhyay and Prosenjit Chakraborty?
Nobody. That is my point. That is the point of law which I'm going to argue. That on the basis of this and what has disclosed here, Lordship, kindly see,
Is the police taking any steps against you?
my husband has been arrested. He's in custody.
Your husband? Who are you?
I'm wife.
Shahina
of Irshad.
Khatun. Who is this Shine Sultan?
My husband's ID name is Shine Sultan, Irshad Sultan. This is Facebook page.
Husband has been arrested because of this.
Yes.
Yes, tell me.
On the basis, may I just divide the two into two portions. One is as far his arrest is concerned. The next part is as far as his complaint is concerned. As far as the arrest is concerned, Milord, he has made certain comments and things while during a live transmission going on the basis of which we received 2 complaints. On the basis of that, Milord, 2 cases were recorded as far as 2 persons are concerned. The second part is concerned, Milord, we have also inquired into the threat part of it, but nothing could be substantiated about it. Milord. These are the 2 parts to it. Your Lordship
Wait.
so desires, Milord, I shall give your Lordship the detail of everything that is there.
Tell me, the page 22, there are certain comments. Are these the comments which
Your Lordship,
resulted in his arrest?
Lordship. No, these are not only the ones. Milord, there are allegations against the comments have been made by against 2 persons.
Was there any bar for the comments to come up?
Milord,
If there is a public meeting and there is a forum when the public can ventilate their grievances,
no,
and
this
if
was not in the
somebody
forum. This was not in
did
that forum.
so,
No.
very well. Suppose it is not in the forum. It
Milord,
is somewhere else.
Milord, today
Where is the bar? A person cannot ventilate his grievance.
No, but a person can ventilate, but as long as you do not defame anybody.
Defamation is a different thing. You go
That
and
is the
arrest
section
somebody.
500 is defamation.
You go and arrest somebody, and who has been defamed? The names of the persons as who lodged the complaint.
No.
Who
There are
is
2
this Prosenjit and who is this?
Sanjeet has been done at the behest. Milord, the complaint is as far as the allegations made, the defamations made against Arup Rai. The complaint,
Did Arup Rai lodge any complaint?
it is not necessary. These are complaints which are made on behalf of Arup Rai.
What are you saying? Not on behalf. This petitioner lodges complaint against Arup Rai.
No, petitioner made certain comments,
Against Arup Rai.
yes, which were defamated.
Defamation, whether it is defamatory or not, it's related to Arup Rai himself. Why will others come in?
Milord, today, at the behest of Arup Rai, Milord, if my
This
Lord
is
kindly take
absolute
the-
excess action on the part of the police, it seems.
Milord, may I just take your Lordship? Section 500, your Lordship has gotten it?
Yes.
Punishment for defamation. Whoever defames another shall be punished with a simple imprisonment for a term which may extend up to 2 years, or with fine, or with both. But this is this section under which he was given. As I said, Milord, your Lordship will notice 2 years. So it's less than 7 years. So the complaint was made under section 500. Milord, if your Lordship reads the section, it is does not require that the person against whom this statement is made, he has to only, that is not a mandate.
Defamation, I say something to you and excess complaint will be acted upon and a person will be put in custody.
No, put in
Where is the
custody.
law?
Milord, put in custody is the secondary portion. That is because of non-compliance of section 41A. I am coming to this. As far as the custody is different, as far as the section is concerned.
First of all, there has to be a complaint from the person who alleged the defamation has taken place.
This is not a requirement under the statute.
So anybody
but-
can lodge a complaint for defaming somebody.
If today somebody says something against anybody,
Yes.
it is not mandatory that only
That person has to come. Anybody XYZ can
on
come
his
forward
behalf,
and say,
somebody can also.
and the offense of defamation has to be proved first. Then only the question of punishment arises.
But that portion I'm coming to. So, Milord, this is your Lordship will see for 2 years.
Yes.
So therefore, it is as per the judgment in the case of Anesh Kumar, when it is an offense less than 2 years, then what happens? Then the police will not arrest. The police will issue notice under section 41A. That is what the law is. Your Lordship can take it from me. I'm not misleading Your Lordship. Your Lordship can take that from me. Now, when the police go to effect service of notice under section 41A to ask him to come for questioning, it is not a question of punishment or anything. That's the time he is the very obstructive. He does not cooperate. Under section, I shall show to Your Lordship that under section 41A, if today a situation does arise, normally we will not.
The police officer shall, in all cases where the arrest of a person is not required, that is the precondition, not required, under the provisions of subsection 1 of section 41, issue a notice directing person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received or a reasonable suspicion exists that he has committed a cognizable offence to appear before him or at such place he as may be specified in the notice. Where the notice is issued to the person, it shall be the duty of that person to comply with the terms of the notice. But my case is that when it was sought to be served, he refused. Then kindly take where the person complies and continues to comply with the notice, he shall not be arrested. So 3 doesn't come. In respect of the offence referred to in the notice.
Listen, this notice is dated 30th of June. Direction was given upon him to appear on 1st of July
Right.
2024.
Right.
You arrest him on the 30th itself.
He did not accept it.
Very well. Assuming he does not accept it on that date, he could have, since it was brought to his notice, you could have waited till the first at least.
Please take me
You did
subsection
not do
3.
it. I think it is an absolute excess action on the part of the police. Very overzealous.
May I kindly take me paragraph 7 then
Paragraph 7 of this judgment.
of this judgment.
Yes.
But paragraph 7 quotes me section 41. Sorry, yes, 41. Now please take me 7.1. From a plain reading of the aforesaid provisional evidence that the person accused of an offence with imprisonment for a term which may be less than 7 years or which may extend to 7 years with or without found cannot be arrested by the police officer only on a satisfaction that such person has committed the offence as aforesaid.
Which is the offence as aforesaid that he has committed?
Lord, 501, 505, 1B.
And 5.
And 500, but I don't trouble your lordship with the other one because that.
Because 500 was the submission made in the morning.
Yes,
501.
501, 505, 1B, which is cognizable. And 3 years punishment.
505.
Statements conducting to public mischief. What is the statement which was the public mischief?
Well, having a tendency, kindly have a look to that.
Yes. What is the tendency? If somebody makes a protest of any illegality that is going on,
It's not a protest. Well,
objection,
it is an aspersion given that X is
aspersion.
that.
Assuming it's an aspersion, it is at the aspersion level. It has not been adjudicated by any court of law. Do you want to gag people?
No,
They
no, no.
cannot express their opinion that somebody is doing something wrong.
Millard, the point is, Millard, again, Millard, I repeat, Millard, as in the other petitions, Millard, what obligation do I have at that
Yes.
stage?
What obligation do you have to go and arrest people?
First, Millard, as I was saying, Millard, in very many petitions, Millard, that Millard, do I have any authority to verify the allegations at that stage? Please consider this.
Lordship, that's why cognizable and not cognizable is being
No,
made.
this is the
This
following
differentiation.
Show me exactly what prompted you to arrest him. What was the
I
what
went
was
with the,
the
Millard, is my learned friend's clients denying that 41A notice was sought to be served on them?
Yes, he went to the police station to cooperate. Let
and
them
when from where was he arrested?
from police
From,
station.
from house.
I deny upon instruction I state he was arrested.
And this will be adjudicated in the writ jurisdiction.
No, it will not be adjudicated. You are curbing someone's personal liberty. It is here the court is interfering. The court will not interfere with the merits
Right.
of the matter.
Now, therefore, Millard, if he had cooperated, then Millard, I had
Cooperation means towing the line of the police.
No.
Does it mean so?
Millard, come to me, give a statement.
Come to me on 1st, arrested on the 30th. Please come. I
Millard,
am not listening to anything else.
Very
তারপর
Must be
হচ্ছে
something
যে
powerful.
only because a citizen has
Respected.
protested or tried to highlight the illegalities or corruption at the end of a member of the ruling dispensation and against a member of the legislative assembly, the police ought not to have taken such stringent step to curtail the freedom of the said citizen. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted by the learned AG that the person concerned was produced before the learned magistrate and he is presently in judicial custody. Stop paragraph. As it prima facie appears that the act of detention and arrest appears to be the act of high-handedness on the part of the police officer. Accordingly, the court is minded to pass direction for immediate release of the husband of the petitioner. Stop paragraph. The matter is directed to appear in the list once again.
In
Oh.
connection with any of the matters, Lordship, since there is no other, they can start any other case.
On 10th of July.
Lordship, they can start any other case. He has to be released
Stop. Next.
presently.
And are you aware as to any other case pending against him?
I don't think so.
It has been submitted by the learned AG that as on date, the person has been arrested only in connection with FIR case number 292/24 and no other case is pending against him. Stop. Next.
Lordship, there are
The-
two FIRs, Lordship, another FIR has to be stayed. He should not be arrested in connection with.
The person concerned should be released from custody by 5 p.m. today. Stop. Let this order be communicated to the concerned authority at once.
Lordship, concerned
The
jail authority,
notice,
Lordship.
jail authority.
And Lordship,
Acha, the notice under
protection for
section
the family
41
members and the
caps A CRPC dated 30th of June 2024 be written with the records.
Lordship, only one
Milo, that is the original. Milo.
protection for
We
the family,
provide as per photocopy.
protection for the family members and the petition, Lordship.
He protects.
Who will protect you? The same police who is going to arrest you is going to give you protection. Do you expect?
I do not expect, but
Then-
Lordship, I should expect at least since the Advocate General is present here.
What is this that you handed over?
That is GD
Acha. Should it be kept on record?
That is
a really extract. The GD extract
service of
dated
Footage is well.
30th of June 2024 of the Shibpur police station. GD extract dated 30th of June 2024 dated 30th of June. Bolan to? Shibpur police station be written with the records. Acha. As a dispute has arisen with regard to the place of arrest of the husband of the petitioner, let the CCTV footages of the Shibpur police station on 30th June 2024 be preserved. 30th June 2024 within bracket the entire day.
Lordship,
Time of arrest,
Lordship, since 28th, Lordship, since the time of lodging of the FIR, Lordship.
you want it from 28th? Why? What happened on the 20th? The petition.
No, Lordship, anything may come up. Who have
You
concern-
tell me first whether your client went there on 28th.
There is one complaint which was on 28/6/2024.
Did your
in
client
case
go
34.
there? Did
Yes.
your client go there?
Commissioner of Police Office, he went there, not in Shibpur Police Station.
In Shibpur police station, when did he go and when was the time of
It
arrest?
was on 30th.
30th time,
30th time, Lordship.
approximately.
Approximately, Lordship, it is given at 7:30.
PM AM.
I'll just check, Lordship. let me
entire
check
day
it.
করে দিন 30th of
What is
June
my
2024 entire
Lordship,
day shall
9 p.m. 9 a.m. 9 a.m. onwards.
পুরোটা entire day shall be preserved and be produced before this court as and when called for.
Lordship, only one prayer, Lordship. Page 34, I lodged a complaint
Hmm,
expressing my concern over my security.
hmm.
And my wife and my children, my family members are staying there. These people who have been named are very
The officer in charge, Shipur Police Station, shall take into consideration the complaint filed by the petitioner on 20.
28/6/24 before the Commissioner of Police, Howrah.
Then how can the SP, the officer in charge to Commissioner of Police Howrah? যেখানে বললাম ওসি সেটা হবে Commissioner of Police Howrah.